Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you started your tax return in TurboTax and just realized you forgot to add income from a second job, don't panic. You can fix it easily. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to correct your income, add that missing W-2, and make sure your return is accurate before you file. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the official TurboTax website and log in with the same account you used for your original return. Whether you're using the online version or the desktop app, make sure you're opening the return you started for this tax year. Navigate to the Federal section. Once inside your return, look for the Federal section on the left-hand menu. Click it and then go to Wages and Income. This is where all your employment income details are stored and where we'll add your second job. Manage your W-2 income inside Wages and Income. Scroll until you see the Job W-2 section. Click Edit/Add or Add a W-2. TurboTax will prompt you to either import your W-2 directly from your employer, if available, or enter it manually. Enter the second job information. Grab the W-2 form from the job you forgot to include. Carefully type in every detail, employer name, EIN, wages, and taxes withheld, exactly as it appears on the form. Double-check numbers as you go to avoid mistakes. After entering the second W-2, TurboTax will take you to a summary page, review everything, your total wages, federal and state tax withholdings, and any adjustments. Compare it with your physical W-2 forms to make sure it all matches perfectly. Once you're confident the information is accurate, simply continue through the rest of the TurboTax prompts. The software will automatically recalculate your refund or balance due based on the updated income. And that's it. You've successfully corrected your income in TurboTax and added your forgotten second job. Always remember to review every section before filing to catch these issues early. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tax tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy filing.